Hello, kindergarten, first grade, and second grade. Here is our lesson number 2 for week number 8. We are going to be doing a brand new lesson today. We still have our warm-up, so make sure that you do your warm-up before you start this activity. Then we also have our what. So today is our lesson 2, so we are going to be learning about our locomotor and non-locomotor movements during song. So we're going to be using our memory to remember how to do some of those locomotor and non-locomotor movements. The why and the how is still the same. So we're going to be continuing on, and we are still going to be trying to move around in different areas and different ways around our space. We also need to know how to follow directions of a game. So here we go. Here are our non-locomotor skills on the top and our locomotor skills on the bottom. This is what we're going to be doing today. But we're also not going to have this poster to remember. So we're going to really have to use our memories today to remember how to do our locomotor and non-locomotor movements. So here's our activity 1. Here's activity number 2. It's called Boombox Fitness. A boombox was a thing that played music back in the day. You put CDs or cassettes in it. But now we have our speakers and our phones and all that stuff. So we're going to be playing Boombox Fitness. So first, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to ask your parents or whoever is with you at the time to help you find some fun, appropriate music. Then you are going to play the music. And when the music starts, you have to choose a locomotor movement to perform. So you could do running, you could do jogging, you could do skipping, galloping, hopping, jumping, side slide, any of those locomotor movements that we've already practiced. Then you're going to have to freeze when the music stops. But you're not just going to freeze and not move. You're going to pick a non-locomotor movement to freeze in. So you could do the tree pose, which is balancing on one foot. You could do arm circles. You could do any sort of stretch that you wanted to. You could do a twist. You could do a turn around. Any of those non-locomotor movements that we've already practiced and we practice in activity number 1. Then, as you're frozen, you're going to be thinking of a new locomotor movement to do when the music starts. So we're going to have our music today that I'll play, but I want you to try and find your own music to try when you are doing this. So I will play with you for this first 2 minutes, and then we will have a different set of music for when you play on your own. So just remember to find your own music when this activity is done. So here we go. This music freezes on its own, so follow along with me. Here we go. The music's going. I'm going to skip. Now we got to freeze in our airplane mode. Now, what new activity am I going to do this time? We're going to jog this time. We're going to jog around this time. We're going to do a stretch now. Get that stretch going. Get a nice stretch going. Okay. Now we're going to gallop. Tree pose. Very good, everybody. Very nice. So, that's going to be the end of lesson number 2. Make sure you find your own fun music and find someone to play with. Bye, everybody.